Today I am reviewing HP Victus 15.6-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the HP Victus 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop, a machine that's turning heads for its combination of performance, style, and value. Whether you're a gamer, student, or content creator, this laptop promises to deliver a seamless computing experience. Let's start with the display. The HP Victus features a 15.6-inch FHD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. This means smooth, fluid visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos. The colors are vibrant and the viewing angles are excellent, giving you an immersive experience. Fast-paced games feel incredibly responsive, allowing you to spot opponents or react quickly in competitive settings. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5-7535HS processor, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU designed for high-performance multitasking. Combined with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 4,800 MHz, this laptop breezes through intensive tasks like gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. Multitasking is smooth, and you can run multiple applications without lag. The 1TB PCIe SSD not only provides massive storage for your games, files, and multimedia content, but also ensures lightning-fast boot times and app loading. Graphics are handled by the AMD Radeon RX 6550M, delivering solid gaming performance. You can enjoy modern AAA titles at high settings with smooth frame rates, and the laptop also handles creative software like Photoshop or Premiere Pro effortlessly. The combination of the Ryzen 5 CPU and Radeon GPU creates a reliable, responsive system capable of tackling most modern workloads. The design is sleek and minimalist, with the mica silver finish giving it a premium look. Despite its powerful components, it weighs just over 5 pounds and measures less than an inch thick, making it portable enough for work or school. The backlit keyboard, complete with an integrated numeric pad, makes typing comfortable and accurate even in low-light conditions, while the layout is perfect for both gaming and productivity. Connectivity is comprehensive. You get Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable internet, along with Bluetooth support, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI, RJ45, and a card reader. This ensures you can connect all your peripherals, monitors, or external storage with ease. And speaking of accessories, the laptop comes with a bonus 7-in-1 docking station set, including a 128GB storage option and various cables, enhancing your workspace setup. Battery life is decent for a gaming laptop, supporting hours of productivity or casual gaming, although intense gaming sessions will, of course, drain it faster. Thermal performance is solid. The cooling system keeps the laptop from overheating under heavy workloads, maintaining performance without throttling. Of course, no device is perfect. The laptop is an ultra-lightweight, and while the Radeon RX 6550M handles games well, it won't match high-end desktop GPUs for ultra settings in the latest AAA games. However, for the price and the overall package, these are minor compromises. In summary, the HP Victus 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful, stylish, and versatile laptop. From its fast 144Hz display, high-performance Ryzen 5 CPU, and Radeon RX 6550M GPU, to 32GB DDR5 memory and 1TB SSD, it's designed for both gaming and productivity. The bonus docking station makes it even more versatile for a complete setup. Whether you're a gamer looking for smooth FPS action, a student handling heavy workloads, or a content creator needing speed and reliability, the HP Victus checks all the boxes. It's a balanced, feature-packed machine that delivers excellent performance for its price range. If you're considering upgrading your laptop in 2025, the HP Victus 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop is definitely worth a look.